when you hurt bad, when you get stuck inside the silence alone, when you hurt bad, when you deny yourself of good things to come, before the damage starts to break you and your ground it starts to shake and you feel like you're someone else, when you hurt bad, when you hurt bad, when you're deep inside the forest and no sun cuts through the trees and your thoughts have got you lost and you need someone to believe in. I'll be standing right beside you. I will never let you go. I will never let you go. I will help you bring all the lights back to life. I will help you put back the stars in your eyes. If you hear me call and see me falling out of sight, you see that I am not alone in this fight, and I'll help you. It's gonna be alright. And I feel love. I can feel the love beneath your skin. And I feel love. No matter how hard the pain tries to win, your heart is just asleep. It's in the back room where you keep it, buried under all your fears and doubts. But I feel love. I will help you bring all the lights back to life. I will help you put back the stars in your eyes. If you hear me call and see me falling out of sight, you see that I am not alone in this fight, and I'll help you. It's gonna be alright.